Hello everyone. Today we're introducing the HeatSign HS-DE01 electric dot peen marking machine, integrated directly into a production line. This system is designed for automated batch marking of steel pipes, delivering consistent, deep, and permanent marks without interrupting production flow. The electric dot peen technology provides stable marking quality, precise control, and low maintenance, making it ideal for serial numbers, batch codes, and full traceability. By integrating the HS-DE01 into automation, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce manual labor, and ensure reliable marking at scale. If you're looking to upgrade your production line with a dependable automated marking solution, feel free to contact us to discuss your application.